Let's see if we can do this in the dark. I'm gonna turn that flash on. Hey, now I can use a flashlight. Okay. To climb through there. Put that in perspective. That's my hand on the hole. So it is about 4 times my hand high and about 6 times my hand wide. Whew. And that is boiling hot. Let's do it. Okay. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark. No grave can hold my... Oh, damn it. Ow. I need that sight. I was singing here. Get that out there. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down. I crawl home to her. When I hear my phone ringing. I will have to get it when I climb over there. No grave can hold my body down. I crawl home to her. For perspective, that sucks. Okay. Heaven and hell were words to me when my time comes around. Lay me gently in the cold darker. Oh snap! She's dry. That's the one that I replaced right there. No grave can hold my body down. I crawl home to her. Okay. My baby don't fret none about the things that my hands and my body done. If the Lord don't forgive me, I still have my baby, and my babe would have me. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down. I crawl home to her. Who called me? While we're waiting, who called? Recent call. Who is that? Who is that?
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed
Didn't
as
want to talk to
dialed.
them anyway.
Please check.
Okay, well, I think we freaking won. Now to turn around. That sucks. Okay. Let me put this phone right there for a minute. Put this phone back over here for a minute. Okay. Now, I got to back up out of this motherfucker. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down. I crawl home to her. Oh, I'm laying on my testicle. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Hey, that's a nail. That would hurt. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down. I crawl to her. Oh. Okay, do I have some room? I can actually turn. Okay. When my time. Ow, that's a freaking roof. Oh, or floor, or whatever the hell it is. Okay. My baby don't fret none about the things that my hands and my body done. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark. This has got to be hilarious. Let me see if I can do this on camera. Oh, goddamn. Oh, that pipe touched my bare side fat. And I got it. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Oh, that slid. Okay. time comes around, lay me gently, the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down.